Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
White vinegar is the most effective product to remove washing machine mildew. Its natural acidity breaks down mold and bacteria without harsh chemicals. Run an empty hot water cycle with 2 cups of vinegar, then a second cycle with baking soda to deodorize and remove residue. Cleaning monthly with this method keeps your machine fresh and mildew-free.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.